In this video, I'll detail how to fix AirPod won't reset. So if you have an AirPods Pro or AirPod Pro 2 that won't reset, or when you're trying to reset the AirPods, the amber light is not coming up, then this video is going to show you how to easily reset your AirPods, AirPod Pro and AirPod Pro 2. So if I don't know this video, you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, when your AirPod Pro or AirPods won't reset, this is what you need to do. The first thing you want to do is go to your iPhone settings. Then, if you have previously connected your AirPods, AirPod Pro and AirPod Pro 2 to your iPhone, go to Bluetooth. Then locate the name of your AirPod. You can see here I have my AirPods. Click on this information icon, tap forget device, then tap forget device. Click on forget device from the pop-up to remove the AirPods from your iPhone completely. Forget. Then go ahead and turn off Bluetooth. Now, once turn off Bluetooth on your iPhone, just drop your iPhone. Now, to reset your AirPods, now all you just need to do is open the AirPod lid. You discover that when you open the AirPod lid, there's not going to be a pop-up on your iPhone, right? Then drop your iPhone. Now, turn to the back of the AirPods. Press and hold the reset button for like 3 seconds. Then once you hear any beep, let it go. Then the blue light is going to change from blue to cyan light, like you can see. And the cyan light will change back to green. And once the amber light change back to green, then the AirPod is now reset. Now if you close the AirPod lid, then you should see the amber light here. Then you can now go ahead to your iPhone, click on settings, turn on Bluetooth. Then once Bluetooth is enabled, you can now go ahead, open the AirPod lid close to your iPhone. Then you're gonna see connect your AirPod. That shows the AirPod is now reset successfully. So that is basically how to fix AirPods won't reset. So if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.